Hey everybody, how's it going today? Are you ready to learn more? Okay, let's start. Today's video it is about Educaplay. Have you seen this resource or have you heard about this one before? Today we're going to be talking about this resource that is going to help us into integrating more activities in our classroom. So let's go here. We are going to be using this example from here without any profile. But once you have your email account, you can create your own profile here in Educaplay. Let's go for create an activity. And this is something amazing from this resource because you can either choose from yes or no questions, froggy jumps, group relation tests. We can go for words in like around words, memory. You can just matching. You can use alphabet soup, crosswords to fill in the blank. And already we have ordered the letters or ordered scrambled the sentences, guess videos or interactive maps. We also have presentations, dictations, and dialogue. So here are a lot of activities that we can work with our students in class. Today we're going to be working for this amazing one because it's something that it is very, very catchy for our students. Okay, it says that my plan it's almost done, but I'm going to be integrating it here in my account. Here we go. Here it is my account, and as you can see, I have been working with this. I would like to show you this one that I have created. This is a froggy jump that I just with my elementary students. And you can see that, here we go. I'm sorry. Let's go back. Yes, you can see that here it is the space where you can share the link. You can also go for your analysis, how they worked, right? And also you can go back to see more options like to create, to edit, to duplicate, to download, to print it, and more. So today I'm going to be doing this to edit because I would like to show you how to create another another activity with this froggy jump. So because I have already this one, it has 5 numbers already, but it is from the beginning. So it is like adding more, right? For example, here it is the space where I can write down what number follows, right? What number follows 30, oh, it is follows, okay, 31. Okay, that's the question, and here it is my answer. We can go for 32. We can go for 33 or 35. What do you think it is the correct answer? Okay, here it is. And once you add it, you have the choice to select what's the correct answer. In case it is this one, you can go for this one or this one. In this case, you know that it is the first one, so you have to click on it and make sure that this is a check. All right, so here we go. Let's continue, and we are going to be creating more. And if we want to add more questions, we can go like this, or if not, we can just continue. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's go for options. Yes, how many lives do you have? 5. It says 5. What's the time? In here, I can tell you that I just only 20 seconds for each question. So that's pretty much good for my students. But if you want more or less for your students, you can either go down or you can go up, okay? So that is it. And let's go here, 6 questions that I have here. And if you don't want to do it again, or if you don't want to share with social media, and you can just select that, okay? And these are the colors that we are going to be using. I have this green and orange because it is a froggy jump, so I liked it like that. And also if you want to add your own logo, you can do it too. It is up to you. Okay, let's continue. Once you have that, you have to go for looking for the idiom or the language. In this case, it is English. So we can go for that, yes. And also, if you prefer the instructions for your students in Spanish, because maybe it's not an English class, it is okay. Previous view, let's go see it. And this is going to be like this, okay? Here we go. Here it is. If we go like to start. Okay, that's number 1. Here you can see the 20 seconds. Here you can see the question and the options. Let's go for this. What is the number 35 here? Okay, what is that number? What is this number? 37? Okay, 37. All right. What is this number 38? Oh no, that was grand. Okay, let's go here. And as you can see, it's passing by the time, but also the questions here. And let's go forward, 39, 39. More points. Number 31, 31, 31. What number follows? Oh, 30, 35. Oh no, so we have to work till we get to the other side of the lake, okay? What number is this? 36? 36. Okay, we go on. At the last, you're going to be having some numbers, and that is your punctuation. In the case that you don't want it, you can go from create, and one more time, you can just add it, and you can just change the sentence that you don't want to. But let me tell you something. Have you ever seen any work with AI, artificial intelligence? Let's go here. It says that you can work with artificial intelligence just by clicking here. And what is the creations that you want? And let's say, we're going to say what? Rooms in the house. Let's go for that. Rooms in the house. And that is going to be my title because it's asking me for a new title. Okay. And it's doing it right now. Can you see that it's generating our AI word? And look at this. It says number 6. We were in number 6, right? So let's just delete it because this is the part that we did by hand. But here it is. Which room is typically used for cooking and preparing? Bathroom, and kitchen. See, this one is made by artificial intelligence. And do you want to see it? Let's go. Let's go for here. How many minutes, information, and previous visualization. Let's start. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here it says which room is often used for relaxation and entertainment. As you can see, it is our first question, our same time, and the 3 possible answers or questions. So here we go. Let's go forward. Yes, it is. And as you can see, you have to play with it. Let's go for garage. Yes, it is. Bathtub or shower, bathroom. As long as you are going to be having this questions correct, they are going to be adding some points. But if you don't, of course, you're going to be losing your life. All right, basic. So for this one, oh no. But remember, there are many lessons you did choose for your students, so that's the thing. Okay, for cooking and preparation, kitchen. And there we go. Okay, we won. Thank you so much. But this is only one because as you remember, we were talking about more. So this is only the froggies one. But have you seen this one? This one that I have here, this is to complete the text, like fill in the blank, but this is like with the words, okay? And you have to read the text that you have. You have to read the options and work with them. Here we go. Let's say defendant, attorney, lawyer in the court of, okay, of law. In turn became the defendant, attorney, or became the, okay, defendant. Let's say like defendant and attorney. Attorney. Okay, this is just an example. Let's check. Okay, they are good. And as you can see here, it is by points too. Once you don't have it correct, well, it's going to give you another option. So I really invite you to go and to explore about all the amazing things that Educaplay offers to us in the way that we can change our boring and traditional activities into active, interactive, and creative activities to work with our students in class. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.